Tired of endlessly scrolling through YouTube Shorts when you're just trying to watch longer videos? We have got you covered. First, let's tackle the mobile app. Open the YouTube app on your phone or tablet. Notice the Shorts shelf right there on your homepage. We're going to minimize that. Find any short on your homepage and long press on it. This will bring up a little menu of options. Tap Not Interested. YouTube will take that as a signal. The more you do this, the fewer shorts will appear on your homepage. Another useful option is to tap the three dots next to the Shorts title, either on your homepage or within the Shorts feed itself. From there, select Don't Recommend Channel. This will prevent all videos, shorts or otherwise, from that specific channel from showing up in your recommendations. Now, let's move to the desktop. The process is very similar. Head over to YouTube on your computer. Just like on mobile, find a short you don't want to see and click the three dots next to its thumbnail. You'll see the same options: Not Interested and Don't Recommend Channel. Use these liberally to refine your feed. Finally, actively engage with the content you do want to see. Search for specific topics, subscribe to channels that create long-form content, and give those videos a like. The YouTube algorithm is smart, and it learns from your actions. By focusing on the content you enjoy, you'll naturally see fewer shorts and more of what you're looking for. Enjoy a distraction-free viewing experience.